Okay, today I'm doing the Acate something about the volcano climb. Are we there yet? This is the entrance to National Park. It's a nice break. First time I ever actually wanted to do some documentation and paperwork. Apparently the view is worth it. It's certainly beautiful. Not really bloody exhausting. Oh.
It's so close.
So close.
So close, yeah.
Yo. I'm here. Oh, kind of part of this little life. This is where we're sleeping tonight. All the comforts of home. At least I got a roof over my head.
Another group's got the city by the tank.
Ooh, we'll climb that tomorrow.
I'm not a big fan of big cities anyway, so it was nice just that I was on nature and
Just a lot of cafes.
That's a big one.
Like the shadows, eh? You should come to the top of this. You're like
Just a big day died. It's very regular, practically every 5 minutes. And we're going back now. And so we're actually leaving base camp and going home. It's an extremely tiring journey, but it's actually excellent views. We're looking for a hot bath and a soft bed. Very picturesque jungle. Okay, what's my final review? Acatenango is a tough climb. You have to take up at least 5 liters of water in your backpack and lots of warm clothes because it gets absolutely freezing up there. It's also a 1,300 meters, it's about 4,000 feet, which means that the air is a lot thinner, and like me you might get a little element of altitude sickness. But it is interesting. It is an interesting climb.